Our project is air humidity detector. Air humidity detector is air humidity detector is a smart sensor that that measures the humidity level in the air and transmits the data to other devices for automation, analysis, and it can also help to assess temperature, pressure, humidity, and gas level in the atmosphere.
Now the USB cable is connected to the node MCU, and by connecting this through the Wi-Fi in the app, we can detect temperature, pressure, humidity, gas level and altitude with the help of these sensors.
Here the key components are: it is a node MCU, it is a microcontroller, and it has a Wi-Fi module present in it. The Wi-Fi module allows the device to connect to the internet. The microcontroller is a smart computing device that processes the data from the humidity sensor and manages communication. It is a humidity sensor and it is a core component and that measures the moisture level in the air, and it is a gas sensor. It is an altitude sensor which measures the atmospheric pressure. The sensor continuously measures the relative humidity and temperature. The microcontroller processes the raw data and converts it into one readable format. The processed data is now sent over the internet and to the local server for visualization. Users can monitor it in the real time for users can monitor it in the real time in their web or mobile phones. A change in the air humidity detector can make a change in the graphical representation shown in the mobile phones. In health aspects, respiratory conditions like asthmas and allergies, maintaining optimum humidity level, usually up to 30 to 50% can reduce the trigger for causing asthma and allergies. Low humidity can cause dry out airways, which makes the patient more susceptible to irritation, and high humidity can cause promote the growth of molds and dust mites, commonly allergens. Proper maintenance of the humidity level can ease the breathing difficulties like bronchitis and sinusitis. In veterinary science, the air humidity detector can monitor and maintain the air humidity detector in case of animal care facilities like veterinary science and animal hospitals. Reptiles and amphibians came from the environment of high humidity, and it will low humidity can cause the reptiles to experience a difficulty in skin shedding. In prevention, it prevents the dry skin. The low humidity can cause dry skin and may cause irritation, which later leads to eczema. Proper maintenance of the humidity level helps to prevent dehydration.
Uses of air humidity detector. It is used in the education and research purposes. By ensuring the temperature and humidity with the help of this detector, we can ensure the accurate parameter or within the betterment of the results. And it is used in education tools with the use of IoT in classrooms to teach students about environmental science, data collection and smart technologies.
It is also used in agriculture and green. It is also used in agriculture and greenhouses to maintain the environmental condition in greenhouses by adjusting the ventilation and watering system based on the humidity data. It is also used in irrigation channels to optimize the irrigation control and promote the healthy plant growth by reducing the water sources.
It is also useful in the industrial application like environmental monitoring to a specific gravity, specific temperature, specific temperature and humidity in the industries like pharmaceuticals, electronics, textiles to ensure the product quality, and it's also useful in the cold chain management to ensure the humidity and temperature in the cold chain management. Like sensitive goods like foods, pharmaceuticals to ensure the product integrity.
It helps to monitoring air quality and also helps in weather station and climate research. In weather station, temperature and humidity data will help to uh, predict the climate changes and track the weather. And by assessing the air quality, we can know about the purification of air and ventilation, and in research purpose it provides valuable data about the project studying about climate changes and weather changes and environmental health.
It plays an important role in healthcare, especially in hospitals and clinics to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels to prevent from infection. And it also used in pharmaceutical industries to monitor and control the environment for medication and vaccines, which require specific temperature and humidity levels to remain effective. And it also used for monitoring the patient, especially patients of respiratory illness.
It play an important role in food and beverage industry. In food industry, to prevent the spoilage and to ensure the food safety, particularly in refrigerator areas. In beverage, wine cellars, it maintain optimal environment, which is important. Which the temperature and humidity plays a crucial role in preserving the quality of wine.